How to know if someone log into your Facebook account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know if someone log into your Facebook account or if your Facebook account is hacked. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Go to this page by clicking on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and all you need to do now is click on password and security. Now click on to check your important security setting, and here click on turn on login alerts, and they tell you that when you turn on alerts, they will let you know if someone logs into your account from a place we don't recognize, and they will tell you which device was used and where it's located. Click on turn on Facebook to send you a notifications on Facebook, or choose your email. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.